gusto mo, ipakita kita, pwede naman.
Okay lang, kaya mo. Sabi sa'yo, akong bahala sa'yo.
Kalma lang yan si Andrew palalo.
My first tattoo. Oh my God.
Hindi na video, may tinamak.
Okay lang kuya. Isipin mo na lang tayo lang. Malay mo, sisikat ka sa YouTube.
Ayaw ko nga sumikat.
Huwag mo lang masyadong habain yung hula kasi ano lang.
What's worth fighting for when it's not worth dying for? Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Does the pain weigh out the pride and you look for a place to hide? Did someone break your heart inside? You're in ruins. 121 guns, lay down your arms, give up the fight. 121 guns, throw up your arms into the sky. You and I.
When you're at the end of the road and you lost all sense of control and your thoughts have taken their toll, when your mind breaks the spirit of your soul, your faith walks on broken glass and the hangover doesn't pass. Nothing's ever built to last. You're in ruins. 121 guns, lay down your
Ito na siya. Ganda niya. Nakakarating ko lang sa boarding house. At ang stress ng itsura ko. Matutulog na ako. It's already 3 p.m. Haggard na talaga. Ang itim ng eyebags. I'm so happy with my tattoo. First tattoo.